Hey guys, welcome back to the Perryville YouTube channel. For this video, I want to talk about this 2-tool combo kit at Walmart for $149. It's a DeWALT hammer drill and impact driver. You get free shipping at that price. The model number is DCK285C2. Now, this is not the latest and greatest from DeWALT. This set is about 10 years old. They are brushed tools. But you're getting the hammer drill, you're getting the impact driver, you're getting two batteries, the charger and the bag. And even though they're brushed, look, if you are a professional tradesman, if you are using your tools day in and day out all the time, then I could see you needing or wanting brushless tools. But for most DIYers, a brushed tool will work just fine for you for a very long time. So, that being said, I want to compare some of this to other things that are currently available. So first off, Walmart, $149 and free shipping for this same combo. And here it is on Walmart's site. You can see it's listed as a clearance price, $149, originally $299, and those are your pieces. For on Amazon, through third-party sellers, you're at $310.87. Home Depot is out of stock, but it was $269 there. Acme Tools still has them in stock for $269, and ToolNut has it in stock for $269. So, definitely a really good deal if you're interested, just strictly comparing the price of these to other places. Now, if we look at the picture here, you're getting two 1.5 amp hour batteries. So it's definitely one of the smaller batteries they make, not the greatest. These 1.5 amp hours do not have the battery level indicators like some of the newer batteries do. Also, I'm kind of not sure on the charger you get, because in the Walmart picture, I don't know if you can read this on yours, but I can read it on the screen. This is the DCB112 charger. That's a 2 amp output. So in that case, these batteries would charge in a little under an hour. But now if we look at the Home Depot page, I can't see that exactly, but that looks like the DCB101 charger on this page. And nothing of any of these guys' listings did I see the model number of the charger that's included. But if we assume that is the DCB101, that is a 4 amp charger, so theoretically would charge twice as fast as the DCB112 showed in the Walmart picture. If we go to Acme, they have that same, looks like the 101. ToolNut's using the same picture that looks like the 101, and all of these have the same model number. So I don't know if at some point they changed what charger was included in this kit, or how that goes, which one you will get. However, but what I can tell you is I pulled up a somewhat similar deal at Home Depot on a newer model. This is the Atomic hammer drill. So it's brushless, but the Atomic is the compact kind of introductory line of tools. And it comes with the same 1.5 amp hour batteries, and it comes with the DCB107 charger, which really is not a good charger. It's a 1.25 output, so it would take over an hour to charge each of these batteries. And this set is $179. So if you compare it to the Walmart one we're looking at, $149 to $179, you're getting the same two batteries and you're getting a worse charger. Yes, you are getting what is very much probably likely a better hammer drill, but it's also only one tool as opposed to the Walmart one where you're also getting this impact driver. As you stated, it is a brushed model, but we can compare quickly here. So the impact driver says 1,700 inch-pounds of torque and 3,200 impacts per minute. If we look at what is a more modern version of that impact driver from DeWALT, and we scroll down here, we have 3,250 impacts per minute. So going 3,200 here, and 3,250, that's RPM here. 3,800 impacts per minute. Sorry, I got that one messed up. 3,800 impacts per minute on the newer version, and 3,200 on the older, and the max torque 1825 on the new version, and 1,700 on the old version. So yes, better. How much better? Debatable. Depending on your use, obviously, how often and how much use it'll get, if it'll matter that much to you. So, there it is. I think it's a good deal. Also, side note, made in USA with global materials, which kind of is goofy. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you give the video a like. Subscribe for my subscriber. I'll see you next time.